Hi, I'm dinnertime.me chef Kanika Hughes. One of the perks of living in this great country is that it's so multicultural. While at grocery stores in other countries, I used to scout around for ages to locate ingredients that weren't mainstream. But here at Choithrams, I can pick up all kinds of authentic ingredients to make a variety of ethnic meals all under one roof. On the menu tonight, we travel to Thailand for crunchy, delicious chicken noodles.
Carrots, radish and organic whole grain noodles, three great sources of fiber and a range of vitamins. This dish is a very good way of sneaking in tons of fresh veg into your meal. The dressing tastes like the kind of spicy satay sauce you'd find in a Thai restaurant, but this one packs a powerful nutritional punch.